So the AXIOM Pro trading bot just came out with some massive upgrades to their platform. AXIOM is at the moment one of the biggest trading platforms for trading meme coins. I have made a complete beginner's tutorial on it, so if you haven't seen that, go and watch that after this video. But today we're going to cover all of the massive updates that this team pushed to their platform just a few days ago to keep you up to date and to make sure you have the advantage when it comes to meme coin trading. Now, if you do want to check out the platform and get 10% less fees when trading, make sure you sign up with my link down below. Also helps support me and the channel. But with that said, let's dive into some of these updates. So Mist, who is the co-founder and CEO of AXIOM, made this huge thread basically covering everything they have done. And the first thing is a multi-wallet feature, allowing you to easily distribute funds between many wallets and also trade with many wallets at the same time. To show you what this looks like, if I head over to portfolio and I were to distribute any funds from my main wallet to multiple other wallets, I would just drag all of these wallets down to this sourcing section and start transfer. And if I head into any of these tokens, you have the wallet option right here where you can trade with multiple wallets at once. Next up, and this is a big one, you have a custom Twitter tracker. So if I open my Twitter tracker app at the bottom, previously you just had random Twitter alerts showing up, but you can now actually customize it to your own liking and add whatever handles you want to actually track yourself. A Twitter tracker is a great tool to use when it comes to meme coin trading, just to stay up to date and get in early on any new hype launches and tokens. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can obviously customize this as well. I can add whichever handle I want. In this case, let me just add myself just as an example. There you go. I'm now tracking myself, and if I were to make a tweet, it would show up right here in my Twitter alerts. Next up, you have a Twitter pop-up. If you just hover your mouse over the Twitter or website icon, you basically get a preview of their Twitter. They also implemented more customization when it comes to their polls, basically allowing you to use more filters and also increase the size of the buttons. So if I head over to polls and you go to this display button, as you can see, you have this XL buttons option. If I were to hover over it now, as you can see, it's pretty small if you want to snipe any of these tokens. If I click on display, I click on XL buttons, all of a sudden it's a lot bigger and makes it a lot easier to just trade these tokens super quickly. And you can also customize these rows as well as you wish. This essentially allows you to use your keyboard to trade, to get in and out of trades even quicker. So if I head back into a random token, for example this one, and I open instant trade, this is what it looks like. They also added a feature where you can extend this instant trade and give you 4 more options when it comes to the instant buys. They will also add 4 more options to the instant sells eventually, but that has not been implemented yet. But let me decrease the size of this yet again, and as you can see in the top left, you have hold the space bar to use hotkeys. So I can turn that off. If I turn that on and I hold the space bar down, you can see that these letters show up, and it basically allows me to use my keyboard to get in and out of trades. As you can see, there you go, transaction confirmed. If I were to sell, let me do the same thing for selling, and there you go. In the search section, they also implemented the OG mode, allowing you to search OG tokens only. Then you have the trader scan. Basically, if we go to top traders, allowing you to hover over any of these addresses and get a brief overview of their P&L, their buys, their sells, etc. And obviously, if you click into it, you do get the usual more detailed information on the specific wallet. They're now also allowing you to filter tracked wallets. So if you head back into the top traders and I click on only tracked, it's going to show me only the wallets I am tracking in this top trader section. Obviously, none of the wallets I am tracking have been trading this token, but if I head back to this one, for example, and go to top traders, only tracked, these are the wallets I'm tracking, and they're the only ones showing. I can turn it off, and now they're showing all the top traders again. If we go to the wallet tracker section, they also implemented a new filter here to let you set a minimum SOL amount for these trades. So I only want to see trades that are above 3 Solana, for example, and there you go, it's only been 1. You also have domain age hover, so you can see the age of the actual domain. And then he ends the thread saying much more to come. So this team is pushing out tons of updates. Most of these updates are just about being able to get in and out of trades even quicker, and it allows you to customize and personalize your trading experience even more, which obviously is super important. So AXIOM Pro is definitely one of the best trading bots on the market currently, and these new features are a great upgrade to the platform overall. So if you still haven't tried Axiom, make sure you sign up with the link down below to get 10% less fees on their platform. Let me know what you think of these upgrades down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.